Hi there, welcome to part 2 of AKOOL Creator Clash tutorial. In the part 1, we created a competition ready AI video using AKOOL Seedance. Now, I will show you how to publish your video and how to submit your entry correctly in competition. Hi, I'm Rushi and you are watching CodeByRushi. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you haven't watched the part 1 yet, I highly recommend you to watch it first. Open the AKOOL Creator Clash link from the description. You will see the AKOOL Creator Clash competition page. Scroll down to the Enter the challenge in 5 easy steps. In the part 1, we completed the first 2 steps. Now, let's continue with the step 3. You can publish your video on Instagram, X, TikTok or YouTube. For this tutorial, I will using the YouTube. Open the YouTube studio and upload your video. Add the suitable title for your video. In the title, type @AKOOL and select the official AKOOL channel. Then type #AKOOL Clash exactly shown on the screen. Make sure only A in AKOOL and C in Clash are the capital letters with no spaces. Then add the description and thumbnail. Once everything is ready, set the visibility to public and publish your video. After your video is published, open it, click on share button and copy the video URL. Now return to the AKOOL Creator Clash page and click on submit your entry. On this page, you will see the basic competition rules. If you want to read the complete terms, click on Rules and Eligibility. However, if you watched my video tutorials, you already have everything you need. Now, scroll down and fill out the submission form. Enter your first name, last name, personal email, AKOOL register email, and finally, paste your public URL of the video that you uploaded. After that, check the confirmation box and click enter to win. That's it. Your entry has submitted successfully. Now all you have to do is wait for the competition result. Remember, the submission deadline is September 15th and the winners will be announced by September 30th, 2026. So make sure you publish and submit your video before the deadline. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to CodeByRushi and I will see you in the next video.